Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We were checking out this amazing model haunted house for your bookcase. This is so fun. Me and my daughter spent about 5 to 6 hours building this, and it was just so much fun to build, to construct. It is very detailed. This is definitely for, I would say, probably 14 and up, depending on their understanding. Like, this very detailed and small pieces, and so depending on the maturity and their inclinations towards engineering and building, be aware of that. But the detail in this is so phenomenal. This is designed to look like a cool little book. We're going to show you here on my bookshelf where we're going to stick this in between some Harry Potter books. But it lights up and was just really, really fun to construct. So a few spots where we had some trickiness. The first thing that actually threw me for a loop were the little book stickers. And you can see them down here at the bottom. I don't even think I got it right. The instructions, like, most of the instructions are pictures. There's not a lot of description. So just keep that in mind, but they're very detailed and they do show you very well what to do. A few tips that I would recommend: definitely put batteries in the battery pack, because there are 2 different colored lights on this and you're not going to know until they light up. And so you want to put the batteries in so you can see which are the red lights and which are the green lights, and then mark them how long they are, how many centimeters, because you're going to need to know how many centimeters they are. That was probably the big thing. And then the last thing that was super tricky, the rest of it was honestly pretty easy to do. The last thing that was really tricky was the chandelier at the end. And I don't know if I got it right, but overall, this was such a joy to put together. It was just fun. It was creative, and it just looks so cool. And this is just a great project to do with the teenager in your life, with a friend, with a spouse. I would say, like, you could totally do this on your own. This is I've done a few of these models, and some of them are like, you probably need 2 people. You could really do this on your own. This wasn't anything that we needed like 2 people, 2 sets of hands or anything like that. But it was definitely more fun to do with my daughter on a Sunday afternoon. But we love all the detail. We love just the fun, spookiness, the lights, and just how much, like, it just adds so much to your bookshelf. You can turn the light on and off easily. And it even has a protective plexiglass sleeve that you can slide in if you don't want it to be dusty. I don't have that in here because it doesn't film well. It reflects the light, but you can add that in. It does come with that. But really love this. Just so fun, so detailed. You even have a little door here to the back so you can refill batteries as needed on that battery pack. But just looks so cute and such a fun addition to our bookshelf. I hope you enjoy building this and decorating your bookshelf as much as I have.